but I have not done any work on the ones on the back. And the back ones adjust the chain tension, and the front ones adjust crawler tension. So what you do is you loosen the crawlers up, you adjust the back to get the chain tension correct, and then you would adjust the front ones to set the tension, and, the tightness, the looseness for the crawlers themselves. So along with the crawlers, the 37 had a better set, a lot less wear, and something you would look for if you were buying a machine is the pins here that hold the pads together. On the 37, the pins were so worn, they go from this side to that to the other side. They look like the crankshaft on a single cylinder motor, and the holes where the pins go were extremely elongated. So I undertook the task, had 3 people help me to get it accomplished, of putting the crawlers from the 37 on this machine and then vice versa, and it was a big chore. That was several years ago. I'm not even sure exactly when that was. I'm glad I did it, because that could be a lot of work. You could put new pins in it and it would help a lot, but all those holes being elongated, you're looking at dozens and dozens of holes that you would have to weld up and then line bore them to get everything right. You're looking at possibly a lot of work.